안녕하세요, Dakuninim.
We have message for you, Dakuninim.
Thank you for helping and taking care of us. Please also take care of your health. 사랑해요, Dakuninim. Good evening to the wonderful person, Dakuninim. From the bottom of my heart, thank you for all that you do. Your love, generosity, and kindness means the world to us, and we are truly grateful for your endless support. You have touched our life in so many beautiful, meaningful ways, and I will never forget the warmth and care you bring into our world.
안녕하세요, Dakuninim. Wish for you, Dakuninim, always take care of yourself and stay safe. And thank you for supporting us, and always pray and always trust God because He will hear you and bless you. And fighting, Dakuninim, 사랑해요.
Get well soon.